Hey guys! It's a puzzle couple, and we are back with our next puzzle. This is from our Spin the Bottle.
Thanks to Casual Puzzler for that cute, really cute suggestion.
Yeah.
So we tried it out. And so our next puzzle is...
Da, 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 da. So this is Heroman. It is a 500 piece puzzle. It's pretty cool. I mean, I like these painting ones. They're always fun to do. This one is got some pretty tiny pieces.
Oh my gosh, the pieces are tiny.
For us, we don't usually do that smaller pieces. So, yeah. But it should be pretty fun.
Very bright.
Yeah. I'm
Very
looking forward
pieces.
to it. I like doing buildings and things like that. So, and this one has, well, not really buildings, but it has a lot of, a lot of stuff that should help figure out where's what on it, hopefully.
Yeah.
So.
And yay, no sky.
Yeah, this one doesn't have any sky. So that should help a little bit.
And very few trees. So. Whew.
Yay! So yeah, we're looking forward to doing this one, and hopefully you guys enjoy it too. So like and subscribe to our channel if you want there. And
at the end, we will give our opinion on this, and definitely stay tuned.
Yeah. We'll talk to you later, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back. So we finished the puzzle.
Yep.
If you've noticed, a lot of the parts when we were sticking the pieces together would unhook themselves with the rest of the puzzles. So that was a little bit of a struggle. But we don't know if it was the brand or if it was because the puzzle has been used. And we don't know how many times it's been used.
Yeah,
So
exactly. It could be that it was actually a really good puzzle, but it's been done so many times that it just doesn't stick together. Because some of the pieces were a little bit warped, So it's definitely been used, but it was still a fun puzzle.
It was.
It had a lot of really cool colors in it. It wasn't too tough because it went together fairly simple.
Oh my gosh,
the pieces, you could tell where most of the pieces were kind of going, so and it only took us like an hour and a half, I think.
Right, yeah.
So not too bad.
Yeah. So definitely like and subscribe, and we will see you for the next video.
All right. Talk to you guys later. Bye.